With the rising popularity of YouTube Shorts and future monetization opportunities in February, you should know these 10 YouTube Shorts hacks to optimize your content and increase the growth of your channel. The first hack is to always include subtitles in your shorts. Many creators and influencers use this technique to enhance their content because having subtitles in your videos makes it easier for your audience to follow your content properly. Don't settle for simple black or white subtitles like you usually see on YouTube. Try to spice up your subtitles a bit by making them interactive and engaging with different transitions without overdoing it. You can try different apps or websites to easily transcribe your videos so you don't have to do it manually. Second, you can repurpose your long videos into a short with just a few clicks. This is a great way to share your content without much effort. You can simply go to one of your videos and see a Create button there on mobile, where you can select the option to edit your video as a short. Pick out the highlights and best parts of each of your videos and turn these clips into a short. The third hack I have for you is to use YouTube's totally free audio library. Copyright infringement often occurs in long videos, but it can also occur in shorts when you use copyrighted music that the owner hasn't allowed for commercial or even personal use. The easiest way to prevent this is to use background music from your YouTube Studio audio library, which contains thousands of copyright-free audio files that you can easily download to your device and use. Another shorts trick is to optimize your shorts from a desktop. We all know it's more convenient to upload shorts via the mobile app, but that limits creators when it comes to optimizing their shorts. When you edit your shorts films on PC, you can add more details, such as longer descriptions and especially tags, which greatly increases the reach of a video. By the way, did you know that you can upload shorts directly from a desktop? Watch this video to learn how to trick YouTube into uploading shorts from your computer. The next hack is you can add a maximum of 3 hashtags directly into the description of your shorts. So, for this, you don't need a PC as you put them directly in your description. Always use this hack to increase the reach of your shorts. And since you can only use 3, make sure the hashtags you include are related to your content. The sixth short hack to optimize your videos is to use the green screen feature. This is undoubtedly one of the best features of YouTube Shorts, as you can do so many things with it. Mostly, it's used in reaction videos where you reuse others' users' shorts and film yourself using this feature over the short. You can also use it to create great and unique clips that don't require extensive editing. The seventh hack on our list is to come up with a good title. Include all relevant keywords in your title so that the algorithm is more likely to recommend your content to interested audiences. Also, don't forget to create curiosity already in the title. This will increase your CTR or click-through rate because people will be intrigued by the content of your short. Adding emojis also helps to create curiosity and increase CTR, as a large portion of YouTube users are millennials and Generation Z, both of whom like emojis a lot. The eighth hack is to analyze your shorts analytics. To do this, go to your YouTube Studio, click on the Analytics tab, and select a specific video you want to analyze. This way, you'll get a lot of details about your videos that you can use to further optimize your shorts. The next step is just a variation of the previous one, which is to analyze your channel as a whole. You can never go wrong by digging deep into the overall analytics of your channel to see which hacks work and which don't. Try to optimize your channel by trying all of these hacks and finding out which ones work best to give your content the boost and reach it needs. The last hack on our list today is scheduling the release time of your shorts. This way, you don't have to manually log into the app every time you want to post a short. You can do this either in the mobile app or on your computer. Make sure you upload your shorts at times when your subscribers are most active, so that your posting time and their time in your YouTube app coincide. to increase the chances of getting additional viewers. Which of these 10 ways do you think will increase the reach of your shorts the most? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have the desire to maximize the potential and capacity of your shorts, this video is for you. Here, I show even more ways to maximize the potential of your shorts and maybe even reach 1 million views for each of your shorts. So, don't miss it and watch until the end. I hope you got a lot of use out of this video, and I'll see you next time.